Hi friends, and welcome to my kitchen. It's cookie day, so let's get baking. First, as always, I need to wash and dry my hands. I want to make sure I don't get any germs in what I'm making. Let's turn on the water. Make sure to use lots of soap. Scrub, scrub, scrub. All right, now I'm going to dry my hands. Next, I need to get all of my ingredients together, and I have a list right here. I need butter, sugar, flour, and eggs. Now I'm using very special eggs. They're gonna make our cookies super colorful. Just wait and see. So first, we're going to add the flour. The flour is going to act as a binder and keep our cookies together. A little bit of flour goes a long way. Next, we're going to be adding sugar. We need sugar in our cookies so that they're nice and sweet, but not too much. Next, I need a little bit of butter. There we go. I'm going to use my mixer to mix it all up. There, now we have our dough. Uh-oh, it's not very colorful, is it? Oh, I know, we need to add our eggs. Our eggs are super special, and I think they're exactly what we're looking for. So let's try. This egg is blue inside, and it has a moon shape. The moon can be found in the sky. This egg has a blue heart on the inside. Most of the time, hearts are red, but this one's blue. I think this will help give us some color. Let's mix it up. Wow, our dough is blue. That's awesome. Let's try it again. Wow, this egg is red. It has a red star on the inside. A star has 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This egg is red as well, and it has a plus sign on the inside. A plus means you're adding something. Let's mix it up. Wow, look, it's red. This is great. Let's try it one more time. This egg is green on the inside. Oh, it's a little bit hard to get out. Look, it's a green square. The square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Last one. It's green too. It's a green triangle. All right, wow, these egg yolks are sticky. The triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Let's mix it up. Oh, I love that shade of green. Awesome. Now we have 3 shades of cookie dough to make our cookies. Let's go ahead and roll them out and cut them into shapes so we can get them in the oven. Now I have my colorful cookie dough. I have blue, red, and green. I'm going to roll them out and cut them into shapes using my cookie cutters. Let's do the blue first. So we're going to roll it out just like this. Make sure it's flat enough to get a good cut. And we're going to use the star cookie cutter. Remember, the star has 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points. All right. Here's my star cookie. It's a little bit difficult to get out, but we're gonna try. There we go. Perfect. Let's move this dough off to the side. Now we're going to do the red cookie. Roll it out just a little bit, and we're going to use the heart-shaped cookie cutter. Push it down, wiggle it a little bit, and we're going to pull out our heart. Oh, I love it. There's our perfect heart. And last but not least, we're going to do the green dough. Roll it out. There we go. And we're going to use a circle for the green cookie. Push it down. A perfect circle. Now I have my star, my heart, and my circle. I'm going to get my baking pan, and we're going to put our cookies in the baking pan. Just like that. Now we're gonna go preheat our oven. There, that should be hot enough. Now remember, the oven is going to be very hot, so we're always going to need an oven mitt. I think it's ready now. We can put our cookies in. Remember the star, the heart, and the circle. They look delicious. Into the oven they go. Now we need to wait about 10 minutes and then they'll be ready. So while my cookies are baking in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up because it's important to clean up so you're good and clean for when you come back. So first we're going to get rid of these eggshells. Oops. There we go. Next, we're gonna clean up our counter. There we go. And we can remove our extra dough. We'll save it for next time. Oh, did you hear that? Our cookies are ready. Remember to use your oven mitt. Oh, they look so delicious and they smell wonderful. Let's get ready to decorate. Now my cookies are out of the oven and they're nice and cool. I think they look wonderful. We have a blue star, a red heart, and a green circle, but I think we're missing something. I know. I have these little candy pearls that I think will be wonderful to decorate our cookies with. Let's start with the blue star. On the blue star, I'm going to put 1, 2 yellow pearls. I love that. On the red heart, let's do green. 1, 2, 3. Oops, it got away from me. There we go. On the green circle, let's do purple. Let's do 4 purple pearls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, I love it. All right, my cookies are all decorated. Now I'm going to put them on this plate. Here we go. 2, 3 cookies. Don't they look wonderful? I love my cookies. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.